Stop pain now. Here's a simple way to reduce or stop pain fast without drugs, just by using your fingers. Sounded good to be true? Well, I'm going to prove it. Hello, I'm Dr. Krystosik, and let me tell you a story. For years in my clinic, I've watched patients walk in with headaches, back pain, shoulder tension, and they walk out with relief or no pain at all. No drugs, no injections, just a simple Japanese technique called Shiatsu or finger pressure. It's also called trigger point therapy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Shiatsu at home, explain the science behind it that proves it works, and then walk you through a 7-day Japanese blueprint so you can bring it all together with food, with movement, mindset, and touch in one powerful system for pain relief and longevity as well. Shiatsu literally means finger pressure. It's been practiced in Japan for centuries as a natural therapy for pain and relieving stress. The concept is simple: pressing specific points on the body and improves circulation, relieves tight muscles, balances the nervous system, and reduces pain. I've used this acupressure point system, Shiatsu, as a primary therapy in my practice for over 30 years. And time again, I've seen people arrive stiff, aching, or desperate, and they leave with their shoulders relaxed, their headaches gone, and their energies actually been replaced. This is something you can learn to do for yourself and your family right in the comfort of your home. And right now, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go through some pressure points you can try right now. Well, first of all, there's the upper trapezius one. It's halfway between your neck and your shoulder, and all you do is press firmly with your fingers on your shoulders and breathe deeply for 5 cycles, and you watch the pain melt away. This trigger point melts shoulder tension and pain and eases stress from headaches quickly. The next point is in the hip, the gluteal region, and the gluteus medius muscle. It's on the side of your hip, just behind the bony crust of your hip. If you apply steady pressure there for a minute, you'll see great relief in the lower back and hip pain. And then lastly, I want to share with you a headache relief point. It's at the base of the skull where your neck meets your head. If you apply gentle but firm pressure there for a minute, it'll relieve tension, headaches, and calm the nervous system. You can also use the pressure points on your eyebrow. Start in the middle of the eyebrow and move all the way to the outside. Yes, these points are going to be real tender at first, but that tenderness is trapped tension, and after a few minutes, it'll be released. Just do about 4 or 5 rounds of that for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you'll see significant relief of pain. You'll notice the pain softens and mobility improves. And of course, we want you to know that there is science that proves this. It's science supports this whole concept of Shiatsu therapy. Well, a clinical trial published in the Journal of the Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that Shiatsu significantly reduced chronic musculoskeletal pain and improved the quality of life. Another Japanese study showed Shiatsu lowered stress levels, improved sleep, and reduced fatigue in patients with chronic conditions. And we know that sleep and stress are 2 of the biggest amplifiers of pain if you're not relieving the stress and getting enough sleep. So this isn't just Japanese tradition. There's evidence to prove that this therapy really works. Now, to reduce or eliminate pain altogether throughout your entire body, you need to incorporate the Japanese lifestyle into your daily routines. Well, let's bring it all together right now with my 7-day Japanese blueprint for success. Each day, add 1 small change. And by the end of the week, you'll have stacked up powerful habits that reduce pain and inflammation. Now, the first day, I want you to swap 1 refined carb, that's a junk food, for a sweet potato or some brown rice or fruits or vegetables that are colorful, and add maybe some green tea. Now, day 2, add some fermented foods like miso or kimchi or a drink called kombucha. These fermented foods help to feed your beneficial bacteria and help to reduce inflammation and boost your immune system at the same time. Day 3, take a break throughout the day and include 3 10-minute walks, morning, noon, and evening. Day 4, practice Shiatsu trigger points sometime throughout the day. Day 5, write down your daily purpose and share it with a friend and keep a journal of your daily purpose. Day 6, replace one meat meal with wild-caught salmon or sardines. Day 7, create a bedtime ritual with a couple sips of green tea and add a 5-minute deep breathing session. Deep breathing really helps to calm you and it'll relax you to get a good night's sleep. Now, each habit builds on the last one, and by the end of the week, you'll already notice less pain and inflammation and more energy. Now, imagine this. You continue building these habits for 30 days from now, and your joints are looser, you have less pain, your energy has been higher, your mind is clearer. And my friend, that's what's possible when you align your habits with the Japanese model of health. It's not extreme, it's not expensive, it's simple food, natural movement, meaningful living, and a touch of Shiatsu therapy. Together, they add up to a powerful healing system. Well, if you like this video that I've shared with you today, then like it and subscribe to my channel and join our Gut 911 prescription community. Well, until next time, here's to your health.